Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights to create or edit scheduled tasks, so make sure you're signed in or have credentials ready. Once ready, press the Windows key to open Start and type Task Scheduler to find it fast. Alternatively, press Windows plus R, enter Tasked, MSC, and press Enter to launch immediately. Doing this bypasses menus and gets you into the Task Scheduler console, where you can view the library. Make sure the Task Scheduler service is running before continuing. Once the console is open, look at the Task Scheduler library on the left to understand existing tasks and folders. You can click Create Basic Task for a guided wizard or Create Task for full control. Choose Create Task when you need custom triggers or multiple actions. When creating, define a clear trigger, time, event, or log on. Add actions like start a program and fine-tune conditions and settings. Make sure the chosen account and run with highest privileges match the task's purpose. After configuring, save the task and right-click to run it for an immediate check. Then inspect Last Run Result and Last Run Time columns. If it fails, enable History or Open Event Viewer to read the task engine and application logs to find errors. Make sure the task's user account has log on as batch job or proper permissions, and verify paths, arguments, and network availability. If problems persist, recreate the task with minimal actions to isolate the failing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.